I see my works that they are all connected. They're all part of this journey. And I think life is like that. So that's why there's always something to put in, to take out from it. My name is Pinaree Sanpitak. I'm an artist based here in Bangkok, Thailand. I got a government scholarship from the Japanese government scholarship to study fine arts and design. That was from 1981 to 1986. It certainly was my foundation years. And I don't think about it that what part of my work is Japanese or Thai or whatever, but I definitely think it's embedded. Of course, at the beginning, it was about my experience very personally as a woman, but I think over the years, it has crossed gender. Most of the viewers, they know about my work from Breastworks. But then there's a period before that, about 15 years. I was already forming my own language with the symbols and objects I used. So, like the squash, or the body was already around, but portrayed in a different way. And then it grew into the breastworks to make it into a monument of womanhood, not just only motherhood. So it's a part of the body that nurturing, it's unpredictable, sensual, and I was looking at in all sorts of directions and perspective. Also, that was becoming more abstract, becoming an open vessel. Some relate my vessels in Buddhism, but actually my vessels come from the body. As my works follow my life and my journey as a woman, as an artist, as a human being, I combine the sacred and the sensual together. So that's basically the concept of Breast Stupa. With these different mediums that I work with paintings, sculptures, drawings, installations, interactive installations or standalone sculptures, they all interact with the viewers differently. Breast Stupa cookery started in 2005. So one day I was working with ceramics and I thought, okay, I'll make this mold into a shape of the Breast Stupa and then invite different chefs, different people to work with them and interpret them into food. The Breast Stupa cookery started because of the exploration of the sensory perceptions, and also I love to eat, I love to cook. I have my own recipes of the Breast Stupa cookery, and when the chefs work with the Breast Stupa cookery, they don't have to create food that looks like a Breast Stupa. Sometimes more conceptual, sometimes political, sometimes emotional. I had chefs crying. Then you learn about that culture, you learn about the people and have a better understanding of each other. I need to get my hands dirty. I need to work something with my hands, and that's how I find the objects, find the form, find vocabulary that I need. It's a continued way of storytelling, of narratives, of depictions of my life as I'm still alive. So in here is my private space, but then there's the outside part that interacts with other things. So it grows upon each other. Home is where it all starts. I live and work at home. It's in the middle of Bangkok. I'm based here and I love being here. I don't have fixed hours to go into the studio. I'm a mother, I'm a daughter. My mother lives here too. I'm very fortunate to be able to do what I love to do, to be able to create my own language and communicate it and share it with others. I hope I can continue to make work that is worthwhile, that I can be proud of, and to be part of the history.